This video speaks to a painter on maintenance jobs. It also gives the job description and qualifications. The painter usually answers directly to the maintenance team leader and indirectly to the maintenance supervisor. This information is provided as a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. May also be used to job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or sometimes non-advertised positions. The information was gathered and collected from many job posted sources: newspaper, job section, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross-section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility management and operations and maintenance requirements. The description of work: perform all type of required painting work. Prepare surfaces for painting by washing, scraping, burning, sanding, or sandblasting. Mixes, matches, and blends paint, enamels, lacquers, varnishes, stains, and protective coatings to achieve desired color, consistency, and surface properties. Also required is to caulk, putty, cement, or plaster holes and cracks. Cut and replace glass in windows. Use ladders and erect scaffolding and swing stage equipment as required. Paint building, structure, equipment, and furniture with spray gun or other applicator. Prepare wall and hangs paper or other wall covering material. Order materials and supplies as necessary. Use safety equipment such as a respirator or self-contained breathing apparatus as needed. Maintain logs and records as required. Qualifications for a painter job: you need a high school diploma, a journeyman painter certificate, minimum 2 years experience working in a facility environment, a proven knowledge of practices, tools, equipment, and techniques associated with the paint trade, proven knowledge in the safe use of hand and power tools. WHIMIS, WHIMIS certified would be an asset. You must be familiar with the basics of computer use, have a driver's license, and good people skills. Thank you very much.